Hong Kong is rolling out free COVID-19 testing for school children from next week. Even though the number of infections in the city has stabilised, the government won't be relaxing safe distancing measures just yet. Roland Lim reports.
Chief Executive Mrs. Carrie Lam told reporters today that the government is beefing up infection control measures. Now, all students and kindergartens, as well as public schools, will be given free COVID-19 tests along with all teaching staff at these schools from next week. The Hospital Authority's 46 general outpatient clinics also extending its opening hours to distribute specimen collection packs. Now, the government has also set up 4 long-term community testing centres in 4 districts, which will be free to residents from known clusters or targeted groups. Now, those who actually want to prove their health status can also sign up to be tested for a discounted price of $35. That's well below the market rate. The city now has the capacity to test some 100,000 samples a day with 4 dedicated private laboratories. A COVID-19 contact tracing app will also be launched the middle of this month by the government, now called Leave Home Safe app. It'll allow people to scan QR codes at hundreds of locations like government markets, sports centres, swimming pools, and they'll be alerted if coronavirus cases appear at these places. Now, all these measures are being put into place as a precursor to a Hong Kong digital health code that will be launched soon. Now, the health code, certificates that you're negative for the coronavirus, will allow quarantine-free travel between Hong Kong, Macau, and Guangdong province. And it'll also likely be extended to travel bubble talks that Hong Kong is having with 11 countries. It's first between Singapore and Hong Kong. That's expected to be kicking off later this month. But getting the epidemic under control first would be a prerequisite.